HoloLens 2 is a mixed reality product which enables companies to design new products without having to manufacture multiple prototypes and to visualize their products to show customers. It connects to the cloud, then AI with data analytics processes information resulting in mixed reality with fast operations, so you can visualize AR around you. This product is targeted towards industrial companies. To attract customers, Microsoft markets HoloLens 2 as being trusted by large companies. The product is ergonomic, so you can work for large periods of time without feeling discomfort. The technology they provide enables fast software operations so customers can create quality work seamlessly. HoloLens 2 is different to others such as Magic Leap 1 or Unreal Light. Although HoloLens 2 is more expensive than its competition, it is aimed towards manufacturing companies, not personal use. The field of view is 52 degrees, giving customers a wide view to create designs. The hologram's processing is 100 million polygons, which is 1,000 times better resolution than its competitor. To control it, HoloLens 2 offers hand tracking for better maneuverability and preciseness than with a handheld controller. Lastly, HoloLens 2 is wireless, whereas Magic Leap 1 and Unreal Light both need additional add-ons. For impact, this technology means that teams can collaborate remotely, reducing costs. You can also process data without internet connection, reducing lagging. Boeing Airlines have found a 90% improvement in first-time quality for their prototypes created, and a 30% reduction in time spent on building the prototypes, as it is easier for them to edit them using AR than rebuilding a whole new model. The US Army is another of Microsoft's customers, as they have bought 100,000 HoloLens 2s for simulated battlefield training. Mixed reality is an important industry to invest in, as it is predicted to be worth $108 billion by 2021. The second product that we chose is Microsoft Azure IoT. Many companies have already implemented IoT to automate and simplify many of their daily tasks. It collects, monitors, and controls trillions of IoT assets that enables analysis and predictions. Devices connected to the cloud then are analyzed and turned into actionable knowledge to give predictive insights using data analysis. It is for all businesses such as manufacturing and retail companies. To attract customers, Microsoft provides an affordable and flexible IoT solution to all customers, which provides secure services, works online, is accessible, and has received positive reviews from big companies. Microsoft offers a product that is cheaper than the others and has a free trial. It is different from IBM by offering 4 protocols as opposed to 2, which is better at improving processing. Moreover, it contains numerous features like stream processing and plug-and-play, unlike IBM who only provides stream processing. Azure IoT impacts businesses by saving time with reduced solution time and real-time data. It can improve the workplace productivity by 45% with IoT sensors that optimize the supply chain management, and can reduce the material costs by 35% by anticipating device problems. Also, it improves service and product quality by 47%, which leads to a better customer experience, enabling Microsoft to bring in 120,000 new customers every month. The financial impact of IoT will amount to $11 trillion by 2025. Based on the McKinsey reports, IoT potential economic benefit can go up to $8 trillion if we invest in it, which is a huge benefit. Now we're going to take a look at our case study of HoloLens and Airbus. One of our quiz searches shows how Microsoft is one of the leading companies in mixed reality today. In the last 40 years, we developed 10,000 aircrafts, and we have to deliver twice that amount in the next 20 years, says the vice president of Airbus. The aerospace giant has decided to collaborate with Microsoft through HoloLens 2 to grow effectively and efficiently. Airbus has already identified more than 300 use cases for virtual reality. It takes about 100 hours in average to make inspections. Necessary spare parts are not always on site, which leads to delays in delivery and inaccurate records of stocks. Thanks to HoloLens 2, it offers a real-time access to stock records, enabling automated reports and allowing hands-free orders. This reduces time spent on maintenance by 16% and reduces paperwork by 85%. Training for new employees takes at least 4 years with limited expert instructions and with error-free procedures. Thanks to HoloLens 2, Airbus allows a better training and guidance process, as trainees can train in an immersive virtual environment with no need for actual aircrafts. It offers features that real life cannot provide, such as seeing elements in 3D from every angle. They also have access to remote experts and real-time work instructions. It reduces junior training time by 25% and workers' errors by 40%. Reducing human errors improves, therefore, quality and safety. Finally, HoloLens 2 improves Airbus's design, as users can interact and collaborate through its interface. Models can be tested and changed at any time before completion. Moreover, the performance of a product or component can be simulated. In most cases, there is therefore no need for physical prototyping, effectively bringing down engineering process costs. HoloLens 2 allows engineers to see the concept in 3D, eliminated expensive and time-consuming prototypes, as well as reducing time in the validation design process by 80%.
ASOS is an e-commerce fashion business founded in 2000 in London, UK. The company currently ships to over 200 countries and serves over 23 million customers. ASOS reported £2.73 billion revenue in 2019 and expects 2019-20 profits of £130 million, compared to £33 million in 2018-19. Moreover, 53% of its 2019 investment capex was spent on technological transformations. £23 million were specifically invested in digital development. One example is the use of Azure machine learning in their internal infrastructure. Quid helped us to find this example by identifying Microsoft as a cluster within one of our Quid searches. Initially, ASOS' targeted recommendations modeling strategy involved 3 different data stacks: Python, Apache Spark, and Chash. One team working on its part of the project blocked the other 2, and end-to-end testing across the 3 stacks complicated the iteration cycles as models evolved. To solve this, ASOS centralized its 3 recommendation modeling teams and united its data stacks in Azure Machine Learning's cloud. A bespoke brand recommender was also created, which leveraged Azure Cosmos DB and NoSQL database for global scalability, as well as Microsoft's Deep Learning Virtual Machine, which trains deep learning models using GPU-based instances of virtual machines. As a result, Azure Machine Learning manages the compute elements of the process, running all the jobs in parallel, and meanwhile, data scientists are allocated in just one cross-functional team and focus on data modeling. This, in turn, reduced the recommendation modeling time from 6 months to 6 weeks.
For the customer-related section, ASOS' main challenge was finding the right fit across hundreds of different brands and styles. In order to achieve this, they have partnered up with Fit Analytics and introduced their machine learning and data analysis technology. The way it works is by asking the user a series of questions related to sizing, height, weight, etc., and then compares the user to other similar shoppers. This way, it can recommend the right size. It also promotes items that are most likely to fit and be of interest to the shopper, while removing items that are likely to fit or are out of stock. The results can be seen clearly as Fit Analytics was introduced at the start of 2018. From this point to 2019, there has been a £70 million gross profit increase, 4.5 million more orders, 2.7 million more active customers, and a total sales growth increase of £156 million.
ASOS's future plans for the end of 2020 include the use of AR, which will help them show customers clothes digitally mapped onto models due to the new social distancing rules. By 2021, they plan on managing operational complexity and execution risks in international expansion following their fail to keep up with demand in 2017. By 2025, they have promised to become more sustainable by using 100% recyclable, reusable, or compostable packaging. We based our 5-year digital strategy recommendations on ASOS's weaknesses and goals. By 2023, we recommend ASOS to improve merchandise presentation. ASOS's problem is that 30% of their merchandise is sent back, which costs them a lot due to their free shipping policy. To reduce returns, they have to have more satisfied customers. By further personalizing their fit finder technology by using Try and Buy, a software which allows customers to create 3D avatars of themselves, they can achieve this. Customers give their own measurements and select a body shape, skin tone, and hairstyle which resembles their own. They can select the garments they would like to purchase and put them on the customized avatar. This technology utilizes deep learning, AI, and computer vision to make it as realistic as possible. Having an accurate representation will significantly lower returns. Customers will be more satisfied, and their reviews and recommendations will generate new customers. They will also be able to save up to $9 million on shipping fees by reducing returns. By 2024, we recommend ASOS to use Azure IoT for energy in order to become more sustainable. This product optimizes downtime and improves energy efficiency by studying energy balance supply and demand to alleviate pressure on the grid and prevent serious power outages. In addition, the Azure IoT energy will reduce ASOS's carbon footprint by monitoring emissions and making emissions data more accessible. It will lead to energy savings of 10 to 20%. By 2025, we recommend ASOS to use IoT to improve its warehouse management. ASOS has 3 warehouses, offers over 87,000 products, and delivers them to 200 countries, causing logistical and costing difficulties. As Amazon integrated ASOS C and 7 connected inventories to improve its inventory management, we recommend this product too. Therefore, the product can optimize ASOS's inventory management and improve their efficiency. The company would have access to more quantity and variety. Products can also be dispatched in more places around customers, which can significantly reduce delivery time as well as transport costs.